What's up YouTube, it's Coolierzify and this is my third tutorial. I don't reckon it's going to be in 2 parts, but it might be if you have enough, if you don't have enough time for one. And this tutorial is the origami Twitter bird, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So fold it in half, like that. Open it and fold it in half again. And please leave a comment, guys, because I've only had a couple of comments, and they are by Caleb Kim. We thank you, Caleb Kim, for your comment. So we need more comments, and if you want to be like, you know, heard by people and want to be like said your name in the next video, that's what I mean, just put a comment in, say my name in the next comment, and I will say my name in the next video. This is why I don't make twice 2 attempts, because the next one's going to fail as well. But soon, when I will get better at origami, I will get a better camera than this blurry one, which I don't like. Well, I do like it because I have to use it. Okay, so I haven't really said much here. So basically what you do is you folded it twice in the middle, basically. Then you fold the corners in like that, so then you get a smaller square. When you've done that, you fold it in half, edge to edge. There's 2 ways of folding it in half. There's edge to edge and corner to corner. Edge to edge this, corner to corner is that. But you want edge to edge, which is that. Once you've done that, you do another edge to edge the other side. So then you get something like that. This is, now we're going to do something like the bird base. Is what we're going to do is we're gonna pinch that and pinch the other side as well. So they both, and then just close it like that. So then we got a little square. Okay, the next bit is a simple petal fold, and to do a petal fold, it's this corner to this edge, like that. So then you should get something that looks like that. Now what we do is the other one, so that corner, and we should have that. If you want to make yours quite easy to do and you're not that good at petal folds, just fold the tip down, so then we can open it on that edge you've made and push the sides in like that. So you have got that. And just to let you know, guys, I'm getting a book called Works of Satoshi Kamaya. I don't know how to say his name, but I know how it's spelt. And that book is one of the best books according to Tadashi Moi and Joe Nakashima. And they have a lot of origami tutorials based on it. And you should check their channels out. And yeah, because they are pretty good and they've taught me some things. But I will try and make it as good as theirs, except the camera. Yeah, I have to mention it again. So once you've got all the folds like that, oh, wait, we haven't done this one yet, have we? So then petal fold this. And if you have if you have an origami YouTube account, please put it in the comments and I'll visit it and see some of your videos. And I'm gonna try and make yours and see if they're hard or not. Don't mind if they're not all hard, because origami is origami. Okay, so we've done your petal folds. The thing about folding the corners in is you can do this. Okay, you grab this and you put it, and you just like that, and then you do the same with the other one. So now you've got the blue sides now, because the Twitter logo is blue. And then we have that. Oh yeah, sorry guys, I couldn't make the video on Sunday because I was at the Gadget Show exhibition in Birmingham. It just took hours to drive down there, especially if I had homework. So once you've done that, we fold this corner down to that corner. Like that, and you do the other one. So then we have got this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fold this flap into the middle and the other one like that, and open them, and then we're going to petal fold. A lot of petal folds in this tutorial. I think my next tutorial is going to be the origami elephant, and I'll make it as usual. Well, not so far, but I try the rule again on Sundays. I'll make it for Sunday, this coming. Okay, once you petal fold that, you fold these flaps into the middle. So there. You petal fold these in, like that. So then you've got that. Okay, if you look down the sides, you have this little arm or leg it will be. And what you will do is you're gonna pinch there, put your finger and just tuck it in. Just make that line straight. So like that. And do the same for the other one. Why on earth is my camera changing colour? So then you should get that. What we do now is we lift this flap up like that, and then we fold it in half, and then fold these tabs back. So then you should have that. The next bit what we do is we fold this flap along that line of the legs. And then do the same on the other side. Okay, just fold them down. And then fold them back up. Okay, the next bit is to fold this back along that line, about up to there. Then fold it. You need to make it so it's a straight point. Why is my fan so loud? And then we do the same for the other side. So then we have that. We're going to fold these flaps along there so it looks like that. And then we do the same the other side. This one's a bit tricky. So then we got that. Now what we do, we tuck these flaps into these two pockets. There. So like this. Okay, now what we do is we fold these two flaps here up to that line, the edge. So we have that. The next bit is to fold this up there, fold it back, wait, yeah, and you get a head like that. It's not a head yet, but will be. So then you got that. The next bit is to just fold that down. And also don't make these pointy, just tuck these points in. So then we've got a straight line. The next bit is the head. Now what you do is we just bend that down like that, so that's just against there and there and there. So then we should have that. Okay, now what we do is we have to fold that back down to that point there, and then we fold it back, and then we should have a little beak now. The last step is to fold these bits here in, so then we get something that looks like that. So then we have feet. So then we should have 2 feet like that of our Twitter bird. And thank you for watching YouTube, and that's my 3rd origami video, and bye.